Today I will share with you how to make this half-face typography using motivational quote in Canva. So let's start with it. So I will come to Canva main page here, and here in custom size I will choose the width as 1000 and height as 1000 pixels, and I will click on create new design. Okay, now I will go to uploads here, and I will use this picture of Captain America, and after that first I will click on BG remover to remove the background, and then I will just make it bigger. So I have made it bigger. Now I will just select the ruler and place it in the half point here. Okay, and after that I will go to text here and click on add a heading, and here I will write in capitals, don't stop until you win. Okay, and I will just make the distance smaller so that all comes in a horizontal line. Okay, and after that I will change the font to Anton. Okay, and I will make it smaller again so that in the individual words are aligned in the horizontal line. Now I will just click on letter spacing and I will just work on it. So let's make it -16, and for the line spacing let's use so 0.91 looks fine. Now click on this alignment and click on left aligned. Okay, and after that change the font size to 150. Okay, and just bring it here, and after that as the option is not there to make it bold, I will click on effects here, click on outline and make sure the thickness is 5, and after change the color to black. Okay, and after that I will just decrease the transparency of the text here so that I can check whether I can adjust the eyes of Captain America here properly or not. So as you can see, it is not properly aligned. As you can see, it is coming in the middle, so I will just align it by moving to the right using the arrow keys in the keyboard. So like this I will use. Okay, so this one looks good, and after that I will just zoom out, and after that let's make it slightly down. Okay, so this is looking good. So as you can see that I have tried to make it to the same size as the hair, as the same level, so that I can maintain a good texture of the text. Now after that I will just press Ctrl plus X in the keyboard to cut the text, click on add page and press Ctrl plus V to paste it, and after that increase the transparency to 100, and after that here in this image click on this background color and scroll down and use this one and increase the darkness of the color. Okay, and after that I will just download both the pages. So to download it in proper HD quality, best way is to click on share, click on download, make sure it is in PNG so that it is not getting pixelated, and download the images individually. Click on this current page, done, click on download. So first page is downloaded, and now follow the same for the second page also. So second page is also downloaded. Now click on add page and just re-upload both the designs. Okay, and separate both of them. Okay, and you can just remove the scale from here. Now scroll down to find apps here, click on search and write blend here and click on blend image. Make sure the blend mode is in screen. For the bottom layer I will select this text layer, click on use selected image, and for the top layer I will select the image of Captain America and click on this top layer. Okay, so this is the text which has come, but more work is needed here. So click on add page and after that click on add to design. Okay, and make it to the same size as the canvas, and after that go to the first page and select just the image, don't select the background. Click on Ctrl plus C to copy it and scroll down, Ctrl plus V to paste it and crop it till here. And scroll and zoom in and just separate a bit from here so that it looks best in this outcome. And as you can see, the word is spelled right, don't stop until you win. So this part is done, but what if you want to change the background of the image? So for that, if you just change this background by just cropping here and just changing the background, it won't work. As you can see, the text image or the half face image is with coming with default white color. So for that I have to select this text here, click on BG remover to remove the background. Okay, and I have to use a different color for it, because as you can see the text in the same color. So if I use the same color it will match it. So I can use like this, or you can use something in lighter shade like this, or I can use something in gray. Let me show you like this. So you can use something like this. So I hope you have understood how to change the background. Now if you want to download it, make sure you click on share and click on download. Make sure it is in PNG, but this time make sure you are downloading it as size 2 so that it becomes 2000 by 2000 pixels. And if you want to print this image, best is to click on here, click on PDF print and make sure the color profile is CMYK, which is best for printing, and now select the current page. Okay, so now if you click on download, it will download as a PDF and which will be in CMYK, and if you use it for printing it will come in the same color you want. The RGB format here is best for digital use. If you are planning to use it for emailing or sharing as digital poster, it is best. But if you want to print it, the best way is to use the CMYK part. So I hope you have learned how to make this image and how to download it and how to change the background. So I hope I have made all the points clear. So please subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to learn next. Thank you.